In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undelete a channel on Discord. So, you've accidentally deleted a channel, or maybe someone on your team removed one and you realized you still need it. The first thing to understand is that on Discord, deleted channels are not always gone forever right away. If you act quickly enough, you can restore them using the server's audit log and your server permissions. I'll walk you through what you need to check, where to click, and what to expect along the way. Start by opening Discord and going into the server where the channel was deleted. You'll need to have the right permissions to do this, usually administrator or manage server. If you're not the server owner or an admin, you'll need to ask someone who is to follow these steps for you, because regular members can't restore deleted channels. Once you're in the correct server, look to the top left corner where you see the server name. Click on the server name to open the drop-down menu. From that menu, choose Server Settings. This will open up a new window with a list of options on the left-hand side. In that list, find and click on Audit Log. The audit log is where Discord keeps a record of important actions taken on the server, like deleting channels, banning members, and changing roles. This is where you'll be able to see when the channel was deleted and by whom. Inside the audit log, scroll through the entries and look for an action that says something like Deleted Channel. You can also use the filters at the top to narrow it down to channel-related actions, which makes it easier if your server has a lot of activity. When you find the entry for the deleted channel, click on it to expand the details. You should see the channel name, who deleted it, and the exact time it was removed. Now, this is the important part. If Discord still allows it for that event, you may see an option to restore or recreate the channel from this log entry. If that option is available, click it, and Discord will bring the channel back with the same name and basic structure. Keep in mind that some content, like message history, might not always be fully recoverable. If you don't see a restore option, your best alternative is to manually recreate the channel. Use the same name, set it to the same type, like text or voice, and reapply any roles or permissions you remember. It's not perfect, but it lets you rebuild the channel's structure so your community can keep going with minimal disruption. That's how you undelete, or effectively recover, a channel on Discord.